Again, today we're fixing the Roomba 692.
Okay, so this Roomba was given to Wyatt by his grandma's friend. She says it's just spinning in circles, it won't go straight. So she gave it to Wyatt to see if he can fix it. All right, so let's see what we can do. You ready? Put it on the floor and show everybody what it's doing, okay?
There it is.
So it just keeps spinning in circles. All right, so Wyatt's gonna try to figure out what's wrong with it. Okay, so let's see if you can fix it. Everybody has their screwdrivers? Little brother's here to help?
Yeah.
All right.
That's my screwdriver.
Good.
Don't do that first, Sawyer. You have to do the cover first. I don't know where the cover is. You put on the screw in the cover. This is the brush. I gotta do cover. No, I already did that one. Which one I could do? Well, we'll just open it first.
Whoop.
It worked.
It works. So that's the cover, Sawyer.
Yeah. And now you can take out the battery.
Just use your hands.
Use your hands. Pull on these, okay? Just your hands. Pull.
Good job.
I got the battery out.
So Wyatt thinks the problem is the bumper. So we're gonna see if we can fix that.
Mama. And Sawyer, you can pull off the wheel. This one. No. Where's your hands? Where's your hands, Sawyer?
Can you get it?
I think this can. Now try. You got it!
Good job. Sawyer's getting his first tutorial on disassembling a Roomba.
Yeah, I teach it him.
Good. Sawyer, does the wheel work?
Yeah. And Sawyer, you can pull out this one too.
Pull up. There you go. Good job.
Now we can pull out the dust. There we go. Now we need to take out the bumper. was a real diaper in the dustbin.
Sawyer, stop.
And not the dinosaurs. Everybody eating dinosaurs. Oh my! Yeah.
Sawyer.
Wyatt.
Almost got all of them?
Uh-huh. Just one more. Cut it off.
Wyatt, there's some one more. There's one more.
I got it.
All right, let's take a look at the bumper. Everything look good?
Uh-huh. You bump that. That means we'll bump
It's
that.
good.
Is it bump that?
So maybe the problem is this little guy right here.
And then my name's Christina.
Oh, no, 43. These are so good.
Okay, so Wyatt thinks maybe this was the problem right here, and he's gonna put it back together, and we're gonna see if it works.
Yeah.
Ready?
Sawyer.
All right, so we got the bumper put back on. What's next? The wheels.
Oops, I need to add the battery.
It works. Okay. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if it works. Okay, here we go. It works, it's going straight. Wyatt, you fixed it! Good job, dude.